Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can watch Patreon videos on a television screen. The first method is casting from your phone or tablet. This works well if the video is only available directly on Patreon, or if your TV does not support a video app like Vimeo. Start by opening the Patreon app or website on your phone or tablet. Log into your account and open the video you want to watch. If you are using an iPhone, look for the AirPlay icon. This icon usually looks like a rectangle with a small triangle at the bottom. Tap the AirPlay icon and choose your TV from the list. After a few seconds, the video will begin playing on your TV screen. If you are using an Android device, tap the Cast button and select your Chromecast or a TV that supports casting. The second method is screen mirroring. Screen mirroring shows everything from your phone or tablet directly on your TV. First, turn on screen mirroring in your TV settings. Then open the screen mirroring option on your phone or tablet and select your TV. Your device screen will appear on the TV, and the Patreon video will play exactly as you see it on your phone. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Thanks for watching.